What if the power went out? Could you feed your family dinner? What if the power went out for a month? What's in your pantry? How amazing do these fluffy, warm sourdough bread bowls look? Would you believe me if I told you it's a prepper meal? Just like all my other recipes, it's straight from the pantry. And they are so easy, no kneading at all. You've probably heard to stock up on beans and rice for emergencies. Gross. I'm turning the prepping food community upside down. No more beans and rice, no more buckets of nasty pouch food. All my recipes make your daily life easier and double as emergency food. It's a 2-for-1. These sourdough bread bowls can be filled with any of your favorite soups or chilies, but I have to tell you the secret. You could buy the ingredients for these sourdough bread bowls and store it away for a year, and it would be just as delicious as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They are quick and easy for daily life, but also perfect to have on hand in case of emergency power outages or, heaven forbid, another global pandemic where those grocery lines were wrapping all the way around the store. We started with not worrying about dinner tonight, but it's time to stop worrying about dinner in the far future as well. Let me show you how to make this delicious apocalypse-proof sourdough bread bowl. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rig system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make delicious quick meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about dinner again for tomorrow or 30 years from now. Fluffy, airy, warm sourdough bread bowls are a perfect way to brighten anyone's day. So fancy, yet so easy. This is everything you'll need. Sourdough starter, water, honey, olive oil, salt, and flour. That's it. And about 24 hours before you'll be wanting to eat your bread bowl, start by combining your starter, water, honey, olive oil, and salt. Stir well. Next, add your flour and mix together with a knife until it forms a shaggy, wet dough. Cover and let rise for 18 to 24 hours. Once it's ridden, divide into 2 equal parts, or however many bread bowls you want, and knead the dough into nice round balls. Let it rise on an oil pan for about 2 hours covered. Preheat your oven to 375, or if you're out of power, your stovetop oven. Once your dough has risen about 50%, they are ready for the oven. Score the top if you're feeling fancy, dust with some flour, and bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. The result, the easiest, fluffiest, most delicious sourdough bread bowl that you can fill your favorite soup or chili. Your family will love these so much, and really, it's just my sourdough dinner roll recipe, but jumbo sized. If dinner's been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me for quick, shelf-stable meals and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. And while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll do all the calculating for you. Even add it to your Walmart or Amazon fresh cart, all for free. Never worry about dinner ever again. Loadedpotato.org. Till next time.